Hello, Mean. Good evening.
Good evening.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
Very good. Okay, Mean, what's the weather today?
It's sunny.
Wow, nice. Okay, now look at your book. What can you see? What
A
can you
girl,
see?
the girls is drinking a coffee.
Very good. Okay, say coffee.
Coffee.
Nice. Do you drink coffee?
No, I don't.
Very good. What's your favorite drink?
It's brown.
Wow, that's nice. Okay, now we are in Unit 8, the hottest and coldest places. Do you know the hottest place in the world? Yes or no? No? Do you know? Yes or no? Okay, what about the coldest place? Do you know the coldest place mean?
No.
Very good. So today we're going to learn about it. All right. Now, name all kinds of weather that you know mean. Okay, so just like sunny. Okay, what else?
Snowy.
Very good.
Rainy.
Nice. Anything else?
Rainy.
Rainy. Wow, great job. Now let's learn.
Cloudy.
Look, cloudy. Very good. Okay, now let's learn mean. Look, listen, and repeat.
Rain,
Rainy.
Rain.
Rain.
Very
Snow.
good.
snow,
Snow.
rainbow,
Rainbow.
Nice. Okay, look at the picture. What's the weather?
It's a rainy.
Yes, it is rainy. Now, what do we do when it is rainy?
It's a rain.
Okay, we just stay at home. Okay, what do you wear when it's raining? Do you wear shorts? Yes or no?
No.
Nice. Okay, what do we wear when it's raining? We wear
Uh,
what do we
mm,
wear? We wear a coat, okay, and a raincoat. And we bring umbrella too. Okay, now look, what is it? It is a
no.
nice. Do you like it when the weather is snowy? Yes or no? Do you like snowy weather?
No.
No, very good. Okay, when it's snowy, we can build snowman, throw snowballs, and it's very cold. Okay, now Min, look, what is it? It's a, what is it? Hello, Min. Can you hear me? Hello. Can you hear me? Hello, Min. Can you hear? Hello, Min. Okay, so Min, look, what is
Ye-
it?
It's a rainbow.
Yes, it is a rainbow. Very good. How many colors are there in the rainbow? How many colors? One.
It's six.
Let's count. One, two, three, four, five, six.
Five.
Very good. There are six, but a real rainbow has seven colors. All right. Do you like a rainbow?
Yes,
Yes
I
or
do.
wow, very good. Okay, now listen and say
Wind.
one
Wind.
more.
Wind.
Very
Wind.
good.
Sun. Sun.
Sun.
Nice.
Moon.
Moon.
Okay, now look at the picture. What's the weather? It is? Shh. It's windy. Okay. Do
Is
you like it when it is windy, Mean? Yes or no? Yes or no?
yes. Yes.
Wow. Okay, now what happened to the leaves when it is windy? The leaves fall from the trees. Okay, now look, this is a sun. What color is the sun? What color is the sun?
It's yellow.
Very good. Okay, now when can we see a sun? In the morning or at night?
Morning.
Very good. Okay, now look at this. What is it?
It's a moon.
Nice. Okay, is it a full moon or half moon? It's a half moon. Okay. Now, Mean, when can we see a moon? In the morning or at night?
Nine.
At night. Very good. Okay, what else can we see in the sky when it is nighttime? We can see stars. Okay, do you like watching the moon and stars? Yes
No,
or
no,
no?
no. No.
Oh, okay. Now this time, Meme, we're going to Find the sentence pairs about different kinds of weather. So listen, color the bubbles. These are the bubbles. Okay, purple if it describes snow, then blue if it is rain, green if it is wind, pink if it's rainbow, yellow if it's moon, and red if it's sun. Now there's one example. Okay, I'm white. This is a snow. The snow is purple. So we're going to color it purple. Now, where is the pear? Okay. Now, where is the pear of purple? We have it here. I only fall on really, really cold days. Okay. Now, what about this one? I make
And make the rivers
fall,
green,
fall from
green.
trees. Okay. Now this is green. Let's check. Tang taratang. Wow, nice. Okay, now where is the sentence pair of the wind? Which one?
Um,
You, you want me when you go sailing. Very good meme. Okay, now what about this one? Look and read. I can change.
I can change things from wheat to wheat. It's a rain.
Red. I can change things from dry to wet. Okay, say dry to wet.
Right to wet.
Very good. So what is it? What color is it? It is a
Blue.
blue. Wow, very good. Okay, now what is the pair or which sentence can we match with the blue color, which is rain? We have
Rain.
I come from gray clouds. That is rain. Okay. What about this one mean?
It's a sun.
Yes. You see me when the sun's behind you. Behind you. This is a what color?
It's a red.
Red. Let's check. Tang, tang, tang. This is pink. This is a rainbow. We can see a rainbow when the sun is behind us. Okay, now
Uh,
what other sentence can we match or that describes a rainbow? Where is it? Very good. Look carefully to see my seven colors. Nice. Okay. What about this one mean? What is it?
mm, it's a moon.
Yes, moon. What color is the moon?
It's a yellow.
Yes, it is yellow. Very good. How about the pair? Okay. The sentence pair that describes the moon.
No, you can see my neck.
Which one? Can you circle?
Yes.
Where is it? Okay. So this is when you see me, you see stars too. Yellow. This is moon. Okay, moon and moon. What about the last one? I'm hot, big and round. What is that?
It uh
What color?
it a sun.
Very good. What color is the sun? It is
Red. Red. Red.
red. Okay, say red. Red.
Red.
Very good. And we can see the sun at night. Wow, perfect, Mean. So for this one, you got 15 out of 15. Nice. So give me a high five, Mean.
Have fun.
Great job. So you have 1 star for that. Okay. Now this time, Mean, let's learn the superlative adjective. So look and read. We use
We use the superlative
superlative.
to highlight a person or thing between two or more.
Very good. So here we use the superlative adjective. Okay, if we are comparing a group of if we are comparing the person to a group of people. Okay, now look at this one. If the adjective is short, we add est to the adjective. If the adjective is long, we use most before the adjective and we use the before superlatives. What do you mean by that? Let me give you an example. Look, we have here big. Okay, big is short syllable. It only has 1 syllable, big. Now, what do we add? We add EST. We double the G and add EST. Biggest. Okay, my sentence is the red table is the biggest in this room. Okay, now here, we also have here exciting. Look at exciting. Exciting. 3 syllables. So we say the most exciting. Okay. Now,
Okay.
mean, look at the example and read. Rachel,
Resource.
Rachel
Resource.
Okay, what's your answer? Rachel is the most. Oh, no. Look and read.
Rachel is the most beautiful dress in this room. Rose is the tallest man in the class.
Very good. Okay. Say person. Person.
Seven.
Very good. Now look at the adjective beautiful. How many syllables? Beautiful. There are 3 syllables. So we use most and we add the before adding most. The most beautiful. Now look at tall. Okay, tall is a short adjective that has 1 syllable. So we double the L and add EST. The tallest. All right? Yes or no? Okay?
Um,
Okay,
yes.
now look and write your answer. There is one example. There's lots of ice in Antarctica. It's the coldest place in the world. What about number 2 mean? Look and read your answer.
Um,
The blank town in India, it rains there a lot. What's your answer? What's your answer? Sunniest, wettest, windiest, or hottest?
um,
What's your answer mean? Hello, Min?
um,
I cannot hear you. Can you
waiting.
hear me?
Yes.
Okay, what's your answer in number 2? The blank town is in India.
It's
The
waited.
very good. The wettest. Wow, nice. Okay, say wettest.
Waited.
Wettest.
Waited.
Nice, Mean. Okay, so Mean, it's already time, so we will just end here. You've got 1 star. Okay, bye-bye, Mean. Do you have any question?
No question.
Okay, bye-bye, Mean. Have a good night. See you next week.
Man.
Bye.